you find? Give me a reason. I'm gonna send a sign, calling you over, calling you to my life. Rough and away, we'll run the world together. So off and away, come again. It's now or never. We're going away. You never know what we will find behind the line. Find behind the line. If you believe in love, give me a feeling. If you believe in me, hold me and let me in. If you are ready, I'm gonna reach you. I've got a feeling you're gonna reach me too. Rough and away, we'll run the world together. So off and away, come again. It's now or never. We're going away. You never know what we will find behind the line. Behind the line, behind the line. Rough and away, we'll run the world together. So off and away, come again. It's now or never. We're going away. You never know what we will find behind the line. Find behind the line. Behind the line. We can run the world. We can run the world. Well, let us run. Well, let us run. Oh, we can run the world.
Leaving a big gash oozing with blood.
Try them ones there.
Gary Murphy also wet
The
himself.
gate couldn't get in.
Pictures were taken of the raid, which later appeared in the news.
Met him on a sunny day in late July, and everything turned upside down. I almost lost track of time as weeks went by. I couldn't get him off my mind. I told him I want that great love, like standing in the middle of a bonfire. You don't know how you got there, but you hold tight, knowing that you can't get burned. Just tell me how we lost track of everything but each other. I honestly don't know. And tell me how we messed up, drifting away from each other. Didn't wanna let you go. Cause we wanted different things, and I have to deal with it, but it's not easy. So tell me how to let go, cause you really seem to know how to carry on your own.
He told the detectives in the
Ever since I got a good look in his eyes, I just knew that he was special. He said he wanted to take it slow, but I couldn't help that I wanted to take it to the next level. Cause I wanted that great love, like standing in the middle of a bonfire. You don't know how you got there, but you hold tight, knowing that you can't get burned. Just tell me how we lost track of everything but each other. I honestly don't know. And tell me how we messed up, drifting away from each other. Didn't wanna let you go. Cause we wanted different things, and I have to deal with it, but it's not easy. So tell me how to let go, cause you really seem to know how to carry on. Sunny day in late July, and everything turned upside down. I almost lost track of time as weeks went by. I couldn't get him off my mind.